What's the meaning of amoebic? Amoebic. 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 Amoebic.
The term amoebic refers to anything related to amoebas, which are a type of single-celled organism that move and capture food by extending pseudopodia, or temporary projections of their cell membrane. Amoebic infections are caused by certain species of amoebas that can cause disease in humans, such as Entamoeba histolytica. These infections typically affect the gastrointestinal tract and can cause symptoms such as diarrhea, abdominal pain, and liver abscesses. Diagnosis and treatment of amoebic infections typically involve laboratory testing and medication management by a healthcare provider.